Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. If you are still manually copying client details into an invoice template, saving it as a PDF, and attaching it to an email one by one, you are losing hours of your life. What if I told you that you could press one button in Excel and it would automatically generate beautifully designed single-page invoices for every single client, sign it with your digital signature, turn it into a PDF, and draft the email in Outlook ready to send? The best part, you don't need to know a single line of code. We are going to use Gemini AI to write the perfect automation script for us in less than 10 seconds. Let's get into it. Before we ask AI for the magic trick, there is one crucial housekeeping step to make this completely foolproof. Create a folder on your computer. Inside this folder, put three things: your Excel datasheet, your company's header banner image saved exactly as Header.jpeg, and your digital signature saved exactly as signature.png. You can also change them according to the prompt we write for Gemini, but for this specific prompt I'm using, I have used these names for the files, and they should be kept in the same directory. Keeping them all in the exact same folder means the AI script will automatically find them without making you type out confusing file paths. Now let's look at our data. We have client name in column A, amount due in column C, emails in column B, and billing month in column D. We're going to head over to Gemini and copy paste a highly specific optimized prompt. I put this exact text in this video description for you to copy. Watch how we phrase this. We aren't just asking for invoice code. We are explicitly telling the AI to force the final invoice onto exactly one single page so it doesn't spill over. We are telling it to use our specific images, add our custom payment details footer, and ensure that the PDF doesn't annoying pop up and crash our computer while generating. Let's read the prompt and then hit the enter and watch the AI work. Act as an expert Excel VBA developer. I have an Excel sheet with columns. Client's name in A, emails in B, amount due in C, and month in D. I know nothing about coding. Write a complete optimized VBA script that loops through each row starting at row 2, because row 1 is titles, creates a temporary formatted invoice sheet for the clients, save it as a PDF name with client's name - invoice, and attach it to a drafted email in Outlook. So Outlook will be automatically opened here. Crucial technical requirements to prevent errors. You can also make them one by one. If you saw any error, you can again add another prompt in Gemini. The image header.jpeg and signature.png and the Excel file are stored in the exact same folder. Force exactly one single page for invoices and position the header.jpeg image perfectly at the top. Insert the signature PNG file directly beneath the sincerely sign off. Center and merge the following exact as footer. This is the sample footer. You can change it. It's the name of for example, a company, an address, telephone and fax, and email, and bank account details here. So you can add it. Provide the complete code block aligned with clear, beginner-friendly, step-by-step instructions on exactly where to click in Excel to paste. Save as a macro workbook .xlsm and run the code. Do not use complex jargon. It's the only prompt, the whole prompt I want to use, and let's hit the enter. So after a few seconds, we can see that Gemini has created a VBA code that is ready. While you can see the stop button, it's actually writing the answer, but after finishing the answering, you can see that again microphone icon is visible here. So you can easily copy it. You can read it to see what's the instruction to use it, but I will tell you how to use the code in Excel and how to run it. You can also check it when you created the code. After pressing this button, you can see that it's copied to clipboard, and if you go back to Excel, by pressing Alt and F11, a VBA code environment of Excel is opened. You have to go to this button and insert a module. And now after pasting the code, saving it, pressing yes, and closing, everything is done. The only thing that it's better to be inserted is a shape. And you can write a name for the shape to run, for example. And now if I assign a macro that I have created now, let's check the files together. First, in the folder, you can see a signature. It's a sample signature. You can add your own signature here. and a header. That is actually the header of our channel. You can have your own header, and these are the only files I have put alongside the XML file in the directory. So if I run it, I expect to see the drafts of emails. Okay, all invoices generated and saved as drafts in Outlook. So if I press OK, I want to open the Outlook, and now I can see that there are 30 drafts here. So if I go to draft, you can see that there are different emails with the email addresses, the subject specified for each invoice for the date, and the PDF files and the text. The email body is also specifically created for each person. You can see that the name of the customer, the date, the amount due is added here with a simple text. So you can see that the attachment is also different for each case. It's specifically created for each customer separately, and the only thing you have to do is to send all. Before sending, it's better to see the invoice format. Now you can see that the PDFs of invoice files are also added to the same folder. Let's open one of them. Oh, you can see that everything is good, but the header should be placed a bit in an upper place. So the invoice title is hidden beneath the header. So you can ask Gemini to make it a bit better, but the other things are good. Name of the customer, date of the invoice, and the table related to the services we offered and the prices, the signature, and also the footer. The footer is also, it's better to be placed a bit lower. So let's ask Gemini to make it in a better way. Now let's ask Gemini, add a bit distance after header and also before footer. They are now a bit overlapped. Fix that, please. Everything is good except this problem. It's updated. Now you can copy the new code, new script. After finalizing, yes, you can see, and you can copy it again. If I go to the same place to assign macro and edit it, I can replace the new code and save it again. After saving, you can close it, and if I run it, new drafts will be created. Let's check the attachments. Before finishing it, you can see that the PDF files are creating. So if I open one of them, I can check the invoice format. Now you can see that the header is placed in a good place. There's enough space between header and the title of invoice. Footer is now also good. So I can accept this invoice. I can also change some font styles, some background color as I told, and everything. Now it's finished. You can see that all invoices are generated, and in the Outlook you can see again the drafts are available and new attachments are attached here. Just like that, you have used AI to build a corporate-grade billing system for your business without spending a single penny or writing a line of code. If this video saved you time today, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more zero-code automation tricks, and drop a comment below letting me know what workflow you want me to automate next. All the prompts and links are in the description below. See you in the next video.